guys, it's me Crazy Barbie here, and I hope you guys are enjoying the new year. So for the new year, I plan on making more videos for you guys, and I'm starting a new series on my channel called Starting a YouTube Channel for Beginners. So today is the start of this series. This is part 1, and I hope you guys enjoy this series. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any parts of this series. So get a pen and paper, because I'm going to be giving you some free and helpful information. So let's get on to this video. So there are 2 very important things that you need to keep in mind when you're making your channel. You need to think about, what is your channel going to be about? Are you going to be a beauty guru, or are you going to be a gamer, prankster? You need to think of all those things. You need to think of who your audience is, what you want to do, what your videos are going to be about. So make sure you plan that ahead before you even make an account. The second thing that you need to keep in mind before you make your YouTube channel is a unique name that suits you and what your videos are going to be about. So don't name yourself Gamer123 if all you're going to be doing is like cooking videos. Like, it doesn't add up. So make sure your name is unique, it's easy to find, and make sure it goes with what your theme is. Now that you have got those 2 steps out of the way, you've thought of what you're going to do on YouTube, what's going to be special about you, what your name is going to be, now you can create your account. Once you create your account, you're going to want to make a banner, intro, outro, profile picture, and a logo. That's optional. You don't have to create a logo for yourself, but if you want, you could create one, and I will be showing you how to do all those things, so don't even worry. Just stay tuned and you will learn all these things in this series. Now that you have created your account, your logo, your intro, outro, all that good stuff, now it's time to make your first video. But before you start filming, you need to think of what your video is going to be about, what you're going to say, what you're going to do, how you're going to set up. So my best advice for that is plan, like get either a notebook or your phone and start jotting down some notes, what you're going to say, practice that, or have the notes with you while you're filming. It will make filming a lot easier. It would make filming way more smooth. And that's what I did, and that helped me so much. Like, wow, because I used to just pull out my camera and just film, and then I would have to be like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna say, what am I gonna do? And it's always like and yeah, people don't want to watch that. So think of what you're going to say, do, all that stuff before you start filming. So in order to film, you need something with a camera. You could use an iPod, iPad, tablet, iPad, iPhone, Samsung, Android, whatever. As long as it has a good camera that you could use it. I started off my YouTube channel with an iPod 4. Okay? And I've made it up to here. So you can start a YouTube channel with your phone, an iPod, whatever. When you are going to film, you need to find a spot that doesn't have too much things in the background that's going to really make your viewers be like, ooh, what's that? And like not pay attention to what you're saying. You want like a clean background or just like a plain wall. Also, once you're starting YouTube, all you need is a free editor, like iMovie, Pocket Video. You really don't need those expensive $600 editors. I personally use both. I use iMovie and Pocket Video, but I mostly use iMovie. It's just easy, it's free, it's simple. Those are the main things that you need in order to start off. So now I'm going to be giving you some tips. So when you're making a video, you want to get straight to the point. Do not say and ands a lot. Just know what you're going to say and say it. Make your video short, don't make it long, and people don't really want to watch long videos. They want things that are straight to the point. Using natural light is going to be your friend when filming. So wake up early, film early, use natural light. You don't need big, expensive, fancy lights. Research, research, research. Research videos that are trending and just make one. Post as often as you can. the time and the day that you post really doesn't matter. I've seen people post at like midnight and people will watch their video, like thousands of views at midnight. Like, people are on YouTube 24/7. So really, you can make a video at any time, at any day. It will get views. It's just how you create your video. Do not post like videos that really don't need to be up there. Like, if it's something that's blurry, you can't see what's going on, and it's just terrible, delete it or don't post it. Take your time when editing. Learn how to use the editor, learn some tips on editing, but make sure to take your time, because editing can change a bad video into a good video. So really take your time when it comes to editing. Thumbnails are important. Same with titles. So make a thumbnail that is very catchy and make sure you use a title that is going to make people say, oh my gosh, I want to watch that. Click. Make sure to stay inspired and motivated. I have a lot of days where I'm like, I'm going to do a YouTube video, and then the day comes and it's like, I'm not feeling it. So make sure you are staying motivated and you're staying inspired. So go on the internet, find some inspiration. Share your video with as many people as you can. I share my videos all the time. So what I do to share my videos is I'm usually talking to someone and I'm like, hey, you know, I have a YouTube channel. Like, I do things like this. I bring it up in the conversation. I'm like, here, take a look. I take their phone and I'm like, click, 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 Crazy Barbie. And yeah, I click subscribe, I click like that's what I do all the time. And I make sure that, like, on social media, I'm posting, like, swipe up, you know, like, swipe up, this is my video, watch it. Yeah, so I just post it, I share it with people, I send it to people. Make sure you're sharing it, because if you don't share it, people are not going to find it. Especially when you're starting off, people are not going to find you. So you need to put yourself out there. Well, I just wanted to keep this video short and simple, so that's all I have for you for now. And I hope you guys really like this video, because it took me a few days to, like, think and sit down and get inspired and really do this video. Like, I've been planning this video since before January, and I'm just now doing this video. So yeah, I hope you guys really liked it, and I hope that I gave you some things that will really help you start. I wish you guys the best of luck when creating your channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can see the next part. See you guys in the next part. Peace.